Kai election Lok Sabha keleng ki polling station kari Bhoi la sakhi ya ka jiami rinti jang ki pai ba ban le shaki polling station ban pendep ya la ka kamram ban yo thep ya la ki vote bat kat kum ka jingkhen bala yo now district election officer kari Bhoi u arpit u bahadaya ula pentip ba hadu ka po sa baje janmet ka jingya poi thep vote ki breu kala kot sha ka ndu posau percent ki pai ba nong thep vote jang kisnong ha block r ka badon ha pedeng ka jingya khaja pot bat ka asam kiru kila yo ban pendap ya ka kamram ban chiet ya u lane ka MP pamikmat ya kislong parliamentary constituency shalok sabha district election officer kari Bhoi arpit ubahadaya ula pentip ba kathain block r kadei ka bala itu kum ka jaka bala ban mi huri hura henre ka jing thep wot ha ka sing thoding kala ya suk klem kano ka jing penthot.
So today it was a polling day, and all the teams are started reporting back, and the polling has closed till 4 p.m. The voting percentage was 64%, and no untoward incident has been reported. It went very smoothly. It went very fairly, and even in block 2 area, which is the border area where we had some voters who came from block 2 side, they were also able to come freely, and the percentage of voting is also much better this time.